We're all familiar with the challenges of creating high-quality animations. The expense and time involved can be overwhelming, leaving aspiring animators searching for accessible tools that won't break the bank. Allow me to introduce Pixverse, an innovative AI video generator. I understand the frustration many of you experienced when Pika moved to a paid tier system, prompting the quest for a reliable and free alternative. Pixverse is here to save the day. Let's explore Pixverse and witness how it can revolutionize your video creation experience. Scroll down to see some impressive example videos generated by people using Pixverse. The best part, Pixverse offers two usage options, just like other AI video generators, web-based and through Discord. Let's start with the web-based option. Pixverse's web-based AI video generator provides both text-to-video and image-to-video functionalities, boasting three unique stylizations: realistic, anime, and 3D animation. And the cherry on top? It's currently free. Imagine bringing your creative vision to life with just a few clicks. With Pixverse's text-to-video feature, describe your scene in the prompt section. For example, a 20-year-old Austrian man working on a street cinematic. Choose your desired style, aspect ratio such as 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, set the seed for consistency, and hit create. Wait for the video generation to complete, and your video will automatically pop up in the block. Note that the generation can take up to several minutes to finish. After your video has been generated, click on it to be redirected to the video page where you can upscale or retry. You also have the option here to download the video. For those with an artistic flair, Pixverse also offers image-to-video functionality. Upload your image, be it a masterpiece from Leonardo AI or an existing asset. You can use the Assets option if you've previously uploaded images into Pixverse. Click Select Assets to choose from your uploaded images and proceed. To control movement, write it in the prompt or leave it empty for automatic detection. Adjust the strength of motion, set the seed by either drag the slider or type the desired value. When you are done, click Create. Pixverse can generate videos up to 3 to 4 seconds long for free with the option to upscale, retry, and download, just like on Pika Lab. Now, let's quickly look at how to use Pixverse on Discord. Click Join Beta, and you'll be redirected to the Discord server. On the left side, you'll find channels. Click on the appropriate channel, and you'll see options like Create Animate, Create Single Mem, and Face Settings. For now, let's try text-to-video. Click here on the prompt box, select Pixverse, and then click on Create. Then input your prompts. For example, let's use the previous prompt, a 20-year-old Austrian man working on a street cinematic. Choose a style realistic or anime, add a negative prompt if desired, select the aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 and hit Generate. In the case of Discord, Pixverse provides 4 different variations of the same video, a unique feature compared with Pika or other AI video generators. Here are the 4 cinematic anime videos of the 20-year-old Austrian walking on a street. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's try image to video. Type /, select Animate, and load your input image. Adjust the motion and seed options to customize the video. Check this out, a video generated without changing any default settings. Pretty cool, right? Although Pixverse may lack some advanced features like camera motion controls and in and out painting found in platforms like Pika Lab, its impressive performance in image-to-video and text-to-video tasks makes it a compelling choice. And the best part? It's free. Creating videos with Pixverse is straightforward. Generate, edit, download, and share. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Pixverse offers creative possibilities without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to mundane videos and hello to engaging content that captivates your audience. Seize the moment. Try Pixverse now while it's still freely available. Unleash your creativity, craft stunning videos, and share them with the world. Find the link to Pixverse in the description below.